So we're coming in tonight with the message from Ezekiel, and it is 47, starting with verses 13 through 23. And this is the boundaries of the land. So this is what the sovereign Lord says. These are the boundaries by which you are to divide the land for an inheritance among the 12 tribes of Israel, with 2 portions for Joseph. You are to divide it equally among them, because I swore with uplifted hand to give it to your forefathers. This land will become your inheritance. This is to be the boundary of the land. On the north side of it will run from the great sea by the Hethlon road past Lebo Hamath to Zedad, Baratha, and Sibrium, which lies on the border between Damascus and Hamath, as far as Hazer Hadakon, which is on the border of Haran. The boundary will extend from the sea to Hazar Enan, along the northern border of Damascus, with the border of Hamath to the north. This will be the north boundary. On the east side, the boundary will run between Haran and Damascus, along the Jordan between Gilead and the land of Israel, to the eastern sea as far as Tamar. This will be the east boundary. On the south side, it will run from Tamar as far as the waters of Meribah, Kadesh, then along Wadi of Egypt to the Great Sea. This will be the south boundary. On the west side, the Great Sea will be the boundary to the point opposite of Lebo Hamath and will be the west boundary. You are to distribute this land amongst yourselves according to the tribes of Israel. You are to allot it as an inheritance for yourselves and for the aliens who have settled among you and who have children. You are to consider them as native-born Israelites. Along with you, they are to be allotted an inheritance among the tribes of Israel. In whatever tribe the alien settles, they are to give him his inheritance, declares the sovereign Lord. Which this is an interesting passage that I was pointed to from the Lord. And it's going to be an interesting deep dive into it. It says Ezekiel 47:13 through 23 describes the division of a restored land amongst the 12 tribes of Israel, with Joseph receiving 2 portions and foreigners living among them being granted inheritance rights. We'll pick